Just want to take you guys through some of the new features that we've added to CLIPitc. When a customer accepts an estimate in CLIPitc, we'll add a to-do to their account. So this serves as both a history, just to let you know that they accepted the estimate, and then also if you need to do some follow-up with the customer, you can use this also as a task. To change who it gets assigned to, go to Settings, Company Info, and then change the users under Assign General Notes To option to include the users that you want assigned to the estimate task. We also added some options for QuickBooks Desktop Sync. If you go to QuickBooks, use QuickBooks Desktop, you'll see that now you can sync the first property address with the QuickBooks Ship To address. We also sync the account number in CLIPitc with the QuickBooks account number in QuickBooks Desktop. We added a lot of new fields to custom reports. So if you create a new custom report, you'll see that now you have the option to include the customer property fields, property name, property type, installments, other customer.property fields, and also the job.class, job.item, job.category, and job.subcategory fields. Another thing that we did is we added the property name to the customer history. So now you'll see the property name. We also did that for the customer portal as well. So now customers can see which property the service was performed at. Another thing that we did is we released the CLIPitc Android beta. So the initial first test of the CLIPitc Android app is going out, and then we're doing the work on the CLIPitc iOS app. So that's it. Thank you.